your AC could be spreading germs instead of fresh air. Over time, AC ducts collect dust, mold, and bacteria. And every time your HVAC runs, it circulates it indoors. This can lead to poor indoor air quality, bad odors, allergies, and even higher energy consumption. Professional duct cleaning improves airflow, removes contamination, and helps your AC system perform efficiently. For offices, hotels, malls, and commercial buildings in Dubai, Peptech provides professional HVAC duct cleaning. Book your inspection today.